just made history. The Fujian, Beijing's most advanced aircraft carrier, has officially entered military service. And with it, China now commands the world's second largest carrier fleet, trailing only the United States. This isn't just another warship, this is a statement of power. The Fujian is China's first fully domestically designed aircraft carrier. Unlike its predecessors, the Liaoning, a refurbished Soviet relic, and the Shandong, built from that Soviet blueprint, the Fujian is entirely China's creation. Named after a coastal province, it represents a quantum leap in naval capability. What makes it truly formidable? Electromagnetic catapults. The Fujian is only the second carrier in the world equipped with an electromagnetic catapult launch system. The first, America's USS Gerald R. Ford. Here's why that matters. Traditional steam catapults used on America's 10 Nimitz-class carriers put enormous stress on aircraft and require constant maintenance. They take up too much space without much efficiency. Electromagnetic catapults? They're smoother, faster, and smarter. They can calibrate launch power on the fly, handling everything from lightweight drones to fully loaded heavy fighters. That means the Fujian can launch early warning aircraft, stealth fighters like the J-35, and heavy fighters like the J-15T, all carrying maximum fuel and weapons. Translation: longer range, bigger punch, and the ability to operate far from shore without relying on land-based support. Make no mistake, the Fujian is smaller than its American counterparts. At 80,000 tons, it's dwarfed by the 100,000-ton Ford and Nimitz-class carriers. It carries an estimated 40 to 60 aircrafts compared to America's 60 to 70. And with 2 aircraft elevators versus 3 and 3 catapults versus 4, the Ford can launch planes faster. But here's the catch. The Fujian is not nuclear powered. That limits its operational range to around 8,000 to 10,000 nautical miles. America's nuclear carriers? Virtually unlimited range. No refueling needed. China knows this. Military researchers confirm that nuclear propulsion is the next frontier, but the timeline remains classified. This isn't about hardware, it's about territorial ambition. With 3 carriers now operational, China surpasses India, the UK and Italy, each with only 2. And Beijing isn't building these ships for parades. The Fujian is designed to project power across the East China Sea, the Taiwan Strait and the South China Sea, some of the world's most contested waters. President Xi Jinping personally attended the commissioning ceremony. The message is clear. China is no longer playing catch-up. It's competing head-to-head with American naval dominance. The Fujian represents China's arrival as a blue water naval power. It's not yet at parity with the United States, but the gap is closing faster than many expected. And as China continues building its 4th carrier, possibly nuclear powered, the balance of power in the Pacific is shifting. And as China continues building its 4th carrier, possibly nuclear powered, the balance of power in the Pacific is shifting. The era of unchallenged American naval supremacy may be drawing to a close. With Debangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.